Hey guys, this is Joe from Joe's Smokehouse and Barbecue. Today we're going to do some ribeye steaks on a Lonestar grill, and we're going to do it using the reverse sear method. And guys, I had my local butcher cut me some 2.5-inch ribeye steaks, and these are great. Look at the color in these things, and the marbleization and the fat content's perfect. And these are about 2 to 2.5 inches thick, and weigh about 1.5 pounds. So I'll tell you what, we're also going to use our brisket rub from Heaven Made Products. I haven't used this yet, guys, but it's got a ton of ingredients in it. It'd be good on brisket, any kind of beef, and I know it's gonna be fantastic. I wet my finger and stuck it a little bit, and I'm telling you what, the flavor is fantastic. So let's get these rubbed down. Today we're gonna be using an olive oil as a binder. I just can't believe how thick these things are. They're gorgeous steaks, absolutely fantastic. I'm not gonna just kill it on here. I'm gonna put a fair amount, but I'm not gonna sit there and just keg it on there. You wanna pat this in. I'm gonna get all sides here, guys. I'm gonna literally put on every part of this steak. I know you guys love ribeye steaks, so I can't wait to taste these later. I know they're gonna be fantastic. And you know, I was talking to Smoking Joe. He was on a chat the other night. He brought up a great point in his chat. You know, he's saying about people taking, doing a video in 5 minutes, hurrying up, because a lot of people don't know how to do this. And that's why I'm gonna take the time to show you the people that don't know how. I know some of you know how, of course. But the people that don't know how, I'm gonna take you step by step through these things so you can understand how to do this. Okay, we've got that one complete. All right, we'll do one more here to show you.
That rub really smells good.
Oh my gosh, I wish I could smell that. It really, really does.
Has a good flavor to it too.
Very much.
Taste tested it last night.
And you want to coat these good, guys. Get every little bit of it. And pat it in, like I said. Make sure I got everything. Oh yeah. Look at the color that rub gave that emery. It's really pretty. Okay, what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna let these rest here for a few minutes. Let this rub get down into the meat. And we'll meet you out in the smoker and we'll tell you what temperature we're gonna be cooking with today. Okay, catch you in a few. Okay, we're out of our smoker, guys. We're gonna get our steaks on. We're gonna be using the bottom rack today. And get these steaks on here. Oh, look at that, I cannot wait. Okay, what we're gonna be doing, guys, today is we're gonna be using some pecan wood. We're gonna be using some chunks. I normally use my half splits of wood, but today I don't really want a strong flavor of smoke in there because I wanna be able to taste the meat. So we're gonna be using the smaller chunks, maybe about 3 or 4 chunks. And we're gonna be cooking these steaks into an internal temperature of about 120 degrees, smoked. And then what I'm gonna do is take them off here, and we're gonna put them on our hot plate on our... Guys, I failed to mention something to you today. I use 2 chimneys of charcoal, also along with my 3 little chunks of pecan wood. I just wanna show you what it looks like. This is not a really long burn, so this is what it looks like. I don't want a real smoky flavor, so that's what we want right there. So, and we're gonna reverse sear them on here and get some crust on them, okay? So after we take them off here, we'll bring them in the house. We'll show you from there. Talk to you in a little bit. Guys, we're gonna make some garlic butter for our ribeye steaks today. We stuck in 2 sticks of butter in a saucepan here. We're gonna get that started melting down. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic salt here along with some fresh garlic. And we'll come over here and we'll show you what we're gonna do over here. We're gonna add a little parsley to our thing today too, guys. A little parsley is excellent in garlic butter. Okay, that's good enough. Now get our garlic over here. What we're going to do, so leave this chunky today, we're going to make a paste out of it. And I'll show you how to do that when I get to that point. More a little bit right here. Okay, now how we do that is, this is how you make a paste. You put some salt on it, some olive oil, and you just want to take the blade of your knife and just smush it. And you just want to keep repeating that until it's almost like a paste. Okay, that's what you want it to look like right there, like a paste. What we're going to do, we add that to our butter. I'll let that incorporate for a couple seconds. Get a little stir stick here. Oh, you can smell that. You won't believe the smell of that garlic in that butter. Wow. You want to keep stirring this too. I don't want to, it's not going to burn because it's in pretty good amount of butter, but I want to stir so I don't burn it. There's nothing worse than the taste of burnt garlic. Okay, we're going to stick our parsley in now. Okay. Stir that all in. Turn it down a little bit. I'm going to take a little spoon and see what we got here. Back just 1 second, just wash my hands real quick. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so good. I might add another stick of butter for that so I have plenty for my steaks, but man, that parsley and that garlic salt and that fresh garlic paste is fantastic, guys. Okay, we'll bring you back when it's time to drizzle this over our steaks. Okay guys, I just pulled my ribeye steaks off the smoker. We're gonna put them on our flat tops and we're gonna sear them for you guys. I know that plate's gotta be screaming. So I'm gonna put a little bit of butter down, a little olive oil. Oh yeah, I'd say that's hot. That butter's gonna burn, we're gonna watch that. A little bit of olive oil. Oh, that's what I want to hear. Wow.
That's a hot tamale right there.
It doesn't take long to sear them. Oh, that's like hot. That's so hot. I'm going to take a look at them.
Well, they were good.
Kept one of them.
They're searing perfect now.
Yep. Well, guys, I tell you, the color of this smoke is fantastic. Get in. There we are. 129 degrees. One more time on that side. Right there. Okay, guys, we're going to pull these off. Bring them inside. How about that color, guys? Huh? That's some pretty color. Wow, that flat top does a tremendous job. I am so happy with Lone Star. Tell you what, that's how I'm gonna do my steaks from now on. That is fantastic. Okay, guys, we'll meet you inside. Okay, guys, we pulled our ribeye steaks off our grill. We've had them inside on our butcher block, resting for about 10 minutes. We lightly foiled them. And I made some garlic butter sauce, which we're gonna drizzle over top of these. So let's get started, guys. I want just look at the color of those steaks and how they got seared on that Blackstone smoker. It's just unbelievable.
Look at the juices that came out.
I know, I mean, I got a plate full on the other side by my sink. It's just unbelievable the juices came out of this. Let's drizzle a little bit of our smell that. Here, smell that. Okay, guys, let's cut in this and see what we've got going. Oh, look at that. That knife is just gliding through there. I didn't even put any pressure on it.
No, I sharpened it the
I
other day.
literally did not. Oh my God, guys.
Aren't they perfect?
Oh my gosh, look at that. Medium rare, perfect. Oh, geez. And they cut like butter. Wow. Let's get a few slices off here, see what we got. Look at that. I'm not even pushing it with any strain at all. Wow.
Got a little bit of fat in there, which really makes it good. I'm all about meat with a little bit of fat around it.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
That looks really good.
Oh, why don't you take a look at that, guys. Just look at that. Let's see if I can just pull that up. Oh, I can't pull it apart. I'll tell you one thing. Look at that. Let's cut in that and see what we got. Oh, look at that. Huh. I gotta give it to Michael Petrie. Michael Petrie, you have an awesome brisket rub there, buddy. That rub on that ribeye steak is phenomenal. You guys have got to try that if you don't have it. I'll leave a link down in the description box of where to get that. And guys, I want to tell you something that is fantastic. Well, that's all I got for you tonight, guys. I please wish you smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And there's a notification bell of my new uploads of my videos. So please click on that. And guys, I want to tell you I love each and every one of you. And if you ain't a grilling, you ain't a chilling. God bless every one of you.